Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I will be reviewing the Truman hair blow dry brush. So before I start with the review, I just want to tell you a disclaimer regarding my hair type, and according to that this review might suit you. So basically my hair type is semi-wavy straight hair, so I have like silky semi-wavy straight hair. So if I like my hair dry, naturally air dry, then it's going to be slightly wavy, frizzy, but still semi-silky straight hair. So this way, if your hair type is very curly, coarse, a different kind of a hair texture type, then this review might not be useful for you, because in the end of the day, I tested out this hair brush on my hair type, and that is why I can give you a review according to my own experience. So I cannot guarantee you, in case your hair is very curly, I cannot answer if this hairbrush might work for very curly hair type folks out there. So I'm just saying, in the end, you have to be sure what your hair type is first, and then decide if you want to go for this hair blow dry brush. So in case you guys are new to my channel, you might not know, I'm just mentioning it. I love to blow dry my hair. I love trying out new kinds of hairstyling tools in order to style my hair. I like to style my hair by myself rather than going to a salon, because this way you save a lot of money also once you start practicing it and mastering the art of blow dry. Now when it comes to blow dried hair, we always think about the round hairbrush, and then the separate is the hair blow dry. But the thing is, that is kind of, you need a lot of practice with that. It takes a lot of arm movement and it takes a lot of time. So not everybody can do that by themselves at home. I used to do that, but in the end I kind of got fed up doing that. After that, for at least 7 years I was using another hair blow drying brush, because it's not new in the market, the concept of hair blow dry brush. So 6-7 years I have been using the Philips blow dry brush, and as you can see, this one, they have stopped making it, or at least they don't sell it in the Indian market anymore. It's been a long time. This has been discontinued, but it was my favorite. I was using this for more than 6-7 years non-stop. I traveled with it a lot. It went with me almost everywhere. Even when I used to go to the gym, they used to come with me in the gym bag for me to style up my hair. It's very lightweight, easy to travel with. It styles up the hair so nice that in the end I've become a big fan of the whole concept of the hair blow dry brush. This way I really like this, but the only thing I'm very sad about is that it stopped working for me, because something to do with the motor of this hair blow dry brush. So it's completely damaged, and now I'm going to be throwing this away. I was just saving this just to show you guys the comparison with the Truman hair blow dry brush. As you can see, the Truman is much more bigger than the Philips one that I was used to using, and then the Truman is slightly heavier compared to the Philips one, but in the end it's still easy to use, and it's easy to travel with. I've already traveled with the Truman one, so in the end it is a travel friendly, this Truman styling brush. So this way, as you can see, I just wanted to show the comparison. The only con is that this one, the Philips one, it was just one-sided brush, where the Truman is a complete round brush and the hot air blows out from every direction. So this way, in the end, I'm happy to get the Truman one for myself. Yes, I got it from my own money. I in the end was waiting for a chance to buy this for myself. So this got damaged, so it was time to buy this, and I've been using it non-stop since more than a week or so, and I'm really loving it. See over here, this is the off, and then I rotate it into blast, and then there is hot air, and then there's warm air. So what I'll be doing is I'll be rotating all the way towards warm air. So what warm air does is that it blows slightly more stronger air, and it's warm. So my hair then in the end gets dried and styled very fast compared to hot. Hot, it's like it becomes very hot, but the blowing of the air is not that strong. So as you can see, I am just trying to focus on the roots this way. If you focus like this and leave it just for a few seconds for the hot air to blow towards over here, what it's going to do is going to dry the hair, but at the same time give nice volume. So at the same time it's going to give volume, and it's going to, you know, make it more, give it more of a salon blow dry effect. That's what I'm trying to say here. Yeah. So if you try to do this kind of a technique that I'm showing you, it's going to give that salon blow dry effect, and that's what I love about this blow dry brush. So you must have noticed the way I am drying my hair, which is taking the brush and drying it below where the hair is on top, and I'm always like going like this, and when I'm drying and brushing my hair at the same time, I'm making sure to rotate the brush. So it's all in the hand movement. If you focus on my hand, it's going like this, and then it's like how you're supposed to use a round hair brush. So you go like that and keep on going like that. So this way it's going to create more volume. So that's what I love about this round hairbrush, is that because it's round and the hot air comes all the way from all the sides, that in the end it's all you do is rotate. So when you're rotating the brush at the same time when you're drying the hair, it's, you know, it's drying the hair, styling it so well. And when you're doing this, like this is also rotating, so the wire doesn't interfere when you're styling the hair at the same time. So that's what I'm trying to say. So that's why this is good feature. So this is giving a nice blow dried effect. Look, with a clean section on the side. So in case you're into middle parting, then you know, do the middle parting. I'm into side sections, I like to do that. I had to use it few times just to get the hang of it, and in the end, once I got used to it, all you need is practice, and suddenly you will end up blow drying your hair very fast, because this blow dries the hair. Maximum you would need 10 minutes in order to blow dry your hair. It's fast, gives a nice silky sleek look. It gives a nice shine also, which I really like. And it all depends on you how long you can stay without shampooing your hair. For me, I like to shampoo my hair at least twice a week. So with me, what I've noticed is that whenever I blow dry my hair regularly, I've noticed less hair fall. So in the end, I love how my hair feels and looks after I blow dry my hair. So it all depends on personal preference, but especially for special occasions and for getting ready, this is great. You will save a lot of money by not going to a salon, because in the end you're going to get a nice salon like hair. So this gives a nice groomed look to the whole hair. On the website, when you're trying to buy this hair blow drying brush by Truman, there are like a lot of options. There's like a lot of different colors available, but in the end I decided to go for the golden one, because on the description it said that it has a ceramic coating. So it has a ceramic coating, and that's great. This way, once I got it, I really like the feel of it in my hand. I liked that it feels solid. It doesn't feel too plasticky, especially the brush. It doesn't feel plasticky. It feels like it can withstand the hot air, because in the end you don't want a very plasticky blow drying brush, because hot air comes out and you don't want later on for the bristles to melt, because that's what happened. There are plastic cheaper version of the hair blow drying brush in the market, the cheaper version, but in the end if they're very plastic, it's no use. They will get damaged very fast, and you know, you will get that burning sensation smell also when you're using it for your hair. So it's not a good pleasant experience. This way, the Ellen Truman, this particular one, I guarantee that you don't have to worry about the bristles melting anytime soon, because in the end you need that hot air to style the hair. So guys, I hope you all liked this review video, and I hope it was useful for you all. And in case you really liked the video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want to say, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that it would really mean a lot to me. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.